Good morning, nursery class. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying your online classes. So, today we are going to see some plants and learn about them. You can see some of the plants of my house. These are really beautiful plants. As you can see green leaves of the plants. Students, do you know that vegetables grow on plants? Let's come and see some vegetables grown. Here you can see green chili plant. Here's tomato plants. Green and fresh tomatoes are here. Now we will see an eggplant. Let us now learn parts of the plant. Today our lecture is about parts of plant. We will see the root. This is the root of a plant. Roots are under the soil. This is the stem of a plant. Stem is outside the soil. Here are the leaves of a plant. This is a flower part of a plant. Flowers are so beautiful. This is a fruit of a plant and this is a whole plant. I hope this lecture was interesting and amazing. You have learned a lot about plants and its part. Take care. Allah Hafiz.